guys, welcome back. I am so excited today because I was one of the lucky ones. I was able to pick up something from the Hocus Pocus collection with ColourPop. I picked up the eyeshadow palette. It is called Gather Round Sistas, and I'm so excited. I'm such a Hocus Pocus fan. I went to Salem, Massachusetts this year, wore a mask and everything the whole time, but I was able to check out some of the locations that they filmed in Hocus Pocus. So I'm such a fan of Hocus Pocus and obviously Disney, and I just love the movie. I watch it every year, and I just think it's the best Halloween movie around. I just want to start off by showing you the packaging of the eyeshadow palette. Okay, and then when you open it up like this is what the actual palette looks like. And then my favorite is when you open it. Look at how cute that is. But yeah, there's a lot of interesting colors in here. They're definitely Halloween oriented. You have some greens and a lot of pinks and purpley colors. What they look like in the palette is very cool toned shades. We'll see how they actually wear, and I'm sure it depends on your skin tone as well. Inspired by Winnie today, who is the main character in the middle. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. So to get started, I have already done pretty much all my makeup except for my eyes and my lips. And I'm just gonna zoom you guys in. So I'm going in with On Toast first. And it looks pigmented. Wow. I'm like very lightly tapping this on. Look at how pigmented this is. I literally tapped the brush. I really need to blend this. So yeah, just to let you know, this is such a gorgeous fall color, but it definitely is very pigmented. Like, look at this. I'm just gonna blend it out a lot right now. I can always add more later. And I just want to make sure that that looks a little more seamless and kind of smoky looking. Okay, next I'm going to go in with Bewitched. It does look very pigmented. I hope it blends in well, but I'm going to use that color on the inner and outer portions of my eye. So let's try it. You can kind of brush away any imperfections, obviously, with lighter colors and darker colors. It's a little bit obviously more difficult. I like filming like this. It's so much easier. I don't have to worry about what my mouth is doing when I'm putting makeup on my eyes. So the next color I'm using is Yabos. And you just have to watch the movie if you don't know what this means, honestly, or look it up.
By the way, Danny, I love your costume.
Thank you. I really like yours too. Of course, I couldn't wear anything like that because I don't have any, what do you call them, Max? Yabos? Max likes her yabos. In fact, he loves them.
It's like the shimmer version of Bewitched, and I'm gonna pop that like the middle of my lid. This isn't the neatest application, but I swear if you blend it, that's really all that matters. I was never, you know, I was into art growing up, and I still am. I was never the cleanest artist. Like, I feel like I would make a mess. The artwork always turned out good at the end. It was just getting there. I'm going to actually wet my brush with some like Fix Plus spray from MAC. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with On Toast. Okay, so I cleaned it up a little bit. I'm gonna go back in with a smaller brush with Bewitched and just touch up. Okay, and I'm gonna take Bewitched and put that on the bottom of my lids. And I actually have some of On Toast left on this brush, so kind of blends out really nicely like a brown. And I just want to smoke out this line so it's not as harsh as well, because it's pretty harsh right now. Okay, I'm gonna put some lashes on and mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, I just popped on some lashes and mascara, and it looks really cool so far. I did want to go back into the palette, and that first shade called Full Moon, it's like a white, has some glitter in it as well. Okay, it does brighten it up a little. I mean, I'm just doing this like up here just because I have darker, like dark circles in the corners. I'm doing one layer there and another layer that's smaller that's really just focused on the inner corner like that. And I might just pop some on up here, see how that looks. I mean, if anything, it does just kind of clean you up. Okay, so now I am gonna go in with my lip. I'm gonna use a lighter brown color today, so I don't want my lips to be like super dark because of my eyes. So I'm gonna use Ulta Beauty lip liner. It's in the shade Spice, and I'm gonna use the Nars Velvet Matte Lip Pencil, and this is in the shade Walkyrie. Walkyrie. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I love it. I just wanted to purchase the palette because I thought the palette was the most unique out of all of the other products, and I didn't really need any of the other products. I didn't need this as well, but I feel like I had to get something from the Hocus Pocus collection. But that being said, I really do like the colors that I used today. I wasn't expecting such a dramatic look, honestly, but I just feel like this palette, the colors that I used at least, were even that much more pigmented than usual. So that's just something to keep in mind. If you want a lighter look, go, you know, in with a lighter hand. But yeah, I really do love it. But I actually did go in my closet and found like a kimono that it kind of looks, if I put it on, it looks like Winnie's outfit. So this is the outfit. I don't know, green and the black. It just kind of reminds me of Winnie. And my hair is definitely not as curly as hers, but anyways, the names on the colors are so cute. On the back, it shows the names. I've already seen the movie this year, and who knows, I might watch it again. But so anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Like I said, we'll be creating a couple more looks this year for fall before Halloween using this palette, so definitely check those out when they come out. But thank you for watching, and have a good one. Bye.
Gather round, sisters. This is very zoomed in, but my name is Holly. What's your Walkyrie? Walkyrie?